Hey, this is the one and only storyteller, back out here with you at the truck. It's April 26th. We're getting a little bit more done today. It rained this morning. It's kind of cleared off, so I couldn't work a little bit part of the day. We're getting closer and closer. We still like taking the heater core out and getting inside and getting those leaves out, but we did put rebuilt the carburetor. How redneck are you? You're a redneck if you build a carburetor on the kitchen table, which I just got through doing. Put a brand new carburetor kit, brand new hoses. I put brand new hose from the power booster to the intake, from the transmission modulator valve up to the intake. The one from the carburetor will be going to the distributor next. Put a new gas line on, new hoses. Let's see here. Put a new bushing on the detent passing gear cable. I do need a C-clip to go on it to keep it on though. We'll try and get that the next couple of days. Did put a new PVC valve hose from here to the back of the plate underneath the carburetor. New spring for the carburetor. I did hook up the linkage to the carburetor. Trying to think here. What I've done today, I flared out this line right here. I didn't like it, so I flared it out where it would just hold tighter a little bit. I did put the spring clips on there. Yeah, I did. My father, if he was still with us, he'd be throwing a fit and cussing right now. He hated those things, but that's the way it came from the factory, just like that. Those two clips. So that's the way I put it back. So I'm a real fanatic on, or try to be, on originality. That will not be original, that Mustang, but this I'm going to try my best to make it original as possible. Still have a lot of hose left over. That'll go from the heater hose to here and to right here. Yeah, it's looking good. Repainted the horn. We got all the bracing in, the hood latches on, or the hood hinges. Got the latch on. As you can tell, we got it on. I did put this on, the latch for the jack, and I need to put the handle back up there where it belongs. I did order a new from eBay. It's new to me, but it's a used original 79 washer tank and motor. It is supposed to work. Let's go on over here. We'll get into the goodie box that came today from LMC. But first, here's the breather. I painted it and all. As you can tell, it's probably got a better paint job than most vehicles get. So, yeah, I'm kind of a fanatic. So, I got those ready to go. So, we got a fender top plug kit, washer hose tee, a round panel plug kit, radiator grill heat shield set, which goes from the headlights to the grill, all 4 new hood bumpers, the washer hose from the tank to the T, and the new hose from the T to the nozzles, headlight splash shields, and also got the fender apron from the fender to the door, that little piece of rubber that's in between the fender and the door. I actually got it. So you see here we have the washer hose, 5/32. We also have the 4 hood bumpers. We have in here, we have the small hose going from the T to the nozzles. And we have the fender plugs. As you can tell, those different sizes. And this right here, these are the ones, and it does come with clips, if you can see them down in there. This is a fender apron. This is the T. I don't know if you can see that or not. The T. Washer T nozzle. This is, I want to say this is the headlight to the radiator, not radiator, headlight to the grill. And this right here is the one that goes beside the hood latch on each side. So that's the goodie box we got today. My decals for the breather, the decal for the valve cover, the decal for the glove box that says 4-wheel drive, how to operate it. Also the decal for the jack instructions for the glove box is on the way. And I even got the little sticker that goes on the window that says, please buckle up. So yeah, we're just trying to make it, the best we can. Trying to do the best we can. Trying to make it look the best we can. So hey, you know, we're getting there. Parts are coming in. Parts are getting put on. So we're doing good. So new carpet's covered up. It's I don't know if you can really tell about the paint. The paint's really, this has to be dyed black. The sun visors, which are brand new, I hate to do it, they're white, but they're going to have to be dyed black. The door panels are in the tent over here. So yeah, we're moving right along. I polished this out. I polished this one out. Don't look too bad. It definitely looks better than the old one. So we'll probably use them. They're $70. I don't really feel like paying $70 just for seal plates. If they'd been 25 or 30, you know, I've been a player, but I'm not a player at $70 plus $15 shipping. You got nearly $100 in 2 seal plates. Like I said, it's Dad's old truck. You know, I like the old truck. I got a lot of memories of the old truck, but it's just his old truck. You know, so the thing we have to do here still, I have to tear the column back down because this is all plumer jimbered up, so we'll have to fix that. Seat, will not get a seat cover. Like I said before in other videos, if I haven't, I'll say again. All this right in here and this down here, it was all Dad. That's all the sweat and the work and stains from where he used it. Up to about 1.5 years before he died, he parked it, and it stayed in the hog pen. Yeah, I got pictures of that somewhere where we pulled it out of the hog pen. Hogs are rooting against it and wallering up underneath it. So yeah, we got pictures of that somewhere. I'll have to dig them up. And but yeah, we're getting there. So it's came a long way. The old truck has. We're getting there. And that rooster, man, I tell you what, I can sit out here and work for hours and never hear from him. But the first time I get on to do a video of some sort, he'll usually crow every 2 or 3 minutes until I get off, and then he won't crow again. So me and him's going to have a talk. He says, he is bound and determined to drive me nuts. So, but anyway, I'm going to get off here. Supper will be done here in a minute. I just put on some asparagus, rolled in some olive oil, a little touch of black pepper, a little touch of garlic powder, and some cheese on top. Having baked chicken, so yeah, we're gonna eat good tonight. So I appreciate y'all stopping by. I appreciate you staying this long. And ring that bell, subscribe, leave a comment, tell everybody about me. Yeah, one and only redneck, that's what they ought to say, or one and only tent guy is what the neighborhood says. I'm the tent man. So usually there's a big tent that went around this truck, but it's not going on. I'm not putting it back under the tent, I don't think. I think when I get the engine running, I get the doors on, and I get the hardware back in the doors, and I get the fenders on, I get the hood back on, I get everything lined up, everything in alignment. I'm going to bring it, put it on the other side, and yeah, I'm not going to put it under the tent. At that point in time, I'm going to bring the Mustang up and put it where it's sitting. So, yeah, I like to do body work. I can do mechanic work. I know I'm rambling now, but, you know, I know I can do mechanic work. Like I said, I was a journeyman technician for GM. Had all my qualification certificates and all that. I like one class making master. So 4L80E out of Atlanta. The dealership owner would not let me go. He said that's more important. So I didn't get to get my master's. So, you know, that's the way it goes. But anyway, I'm more of a body man. I like doing body work more than I do mechanic work. I feel more comfortable doing body work than I do mechanical work. It's not that I'm not confident. I just like doing body work better. So anyway, I'm gonna get off here. Appreciate you stopping by. I'm rambling now, and hope you're all safe out there, and we'll catch you later.